Dear friends, today let us see how to use bubble level in your smartphone. That is, the purpose of using this bubble level is to identify the surface inclination, whether it is perfectly flat or not. So let us go to it. It's a very good application available. Just go to Play Store, type bubble level. Then there is a first application called bubble level. Just click it, click install. It is the best leveling tool for your Android device. If you place your mobile at a particular spot, you can easily identify whether the surface is perfectly flat or inclined to some angle. So that is the purpose of this, using bubble level in smartphone, especially Android. Good ratings and reviews for this application. Now click open. Okay, click continue to app. Now place it somewhere. Okay, now you can easily identify. Suppose I am keeping it in a slightly inclined surface, inclined towards at the top. Okay, then this is the case, slightly more inclined. See here, 16 degree. Why? This is 8. This is, I have kept the mobile phone vertically. Maybe due to the wall structure, it is not perfectly 0. Some 1 degree angle is difference is there. I'm keeping next. This is x. Okay, -1. Now I'm keeping in the flat surface. See here, still some aberrations is there. This x 2.04 degree, y equal to 0. Okay, so just wait. Now you find, okay, almost exact flat surface. Okay, suppose I am tilting the phone slightly towards the right. Okay, you could see difference. Now tilting towards the right, so x is positive. Now flat, now x is negative. Okay, so very good application. Try to use it. Thank you friends. Hope you understood how to use bubble level. Main purpose of this is to identify the level or the flatness of the surface, how far it is inclined. Thank you friends. Hope you understood how to use this bubble level in your smartphone.